Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through a simple and easy method to download and install the IPTV Smarters application on any Amazon Firestick device. This method works for all Firestick models, including the Lite, 4K, and Fire TV Cube. Let's jump straight into it. So first things first, on your Firestick home screen, navigate to the left and open the search option. Now type in Downloader. You don't have to type the whole word. It usually shows up after just a few letters. Once you see it, scroll down and click on Downloader. You'll see an orange icon. Go ahead and select it. Click the Download or Get button to install it. This will only take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After the Downloader app is installed, we need to enable permissions to allow installation of apps that aren't from the Amazon App Store. To do that, hold down the Home button on your remote. Select Settings from the shortcut menu. Scroll to My Fire TV. Now go to Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, just click on About, then tap on your Firestick device name 7-8 times. This will unlock Developer Mode. Once you're in Developer Options, turn on ADB debugging. Also turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Some Firestick versions may ask you to enable this setting specifically for the Downloader app. Just make sure it's turned on. Now press the Home button again. Navigate to Apps. Scroll down and open the Downloader app we just installed. When you open it for the first time, it'll ask for permission. Just select Allow, then OK. You'll land on the Downloader home screen, where you'll see a URL or code input box. Use your remote to select it and enter this code or direct link I'm sharing on the screen, also in the video description below. This code will redirect you to the latest version of IPTV Smarters. After entering the code, click Go. Once the file finishes downloading, the install screen will pop up automatically. Just click on Install and let the app install completely. It only takes a few seconds. When it's done, hit Done. You'll be asked whether to keep or delete the installation file. I recommend choosing Delete to free up space. Now let's open the app. Press the Home button, go to Apps, and scroll to the bottom. The most recently installed apps always appear there. Click on IPTV Smarters. The first time you launch it, it will ask for permissions. Just click Allow, then accept terms to proceed. Before we dive into setting up IPTV Smarters, let me introduce you to the IPTV service we'll be using in today's video, Pulse IPTV. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality IPTV service, Pulse IPTV is one of the best in the market. Here's why. What is Pulse IPTV? 20,000 plus live TV channels from all over the world, 50,000 plus on-demand movies and series, EPG, catch-up, and PPV events. Works on all devices, Firestick, Android, iOS, smart TVs, Windows, Mac, and more. 4K Ultra HD streaming, 99% uptime with global servers, anti-freeze technology for smooth playback. 24/7 customer support, instant activation. Get started in minutes. Up to 5 device connections available. Whether you're into sports, movies, news, or international content, Pulse IPTV has it all. We even offer a 36-hour free trial to test the service before you commit. Link is in the description. Now let's walk through how to set it up using IPTV Smarters with Xtream Codes API. On the login screen, you'll see 2 main options: load your playlist or file URL. Login with Xtream Codes API. We're going to choose Login with Xtream Codes API. This method is faster, easier, and gives you full access to categories like live TV, VOD, and series. You'll now see a form with 4 fields. 1, any name. Type anything you like, such as Pulse IPTV. 2, username. Enter the username we sent you via email or WhatsApp. 3, password. Enter the matching password. 4, server URL. Enter the Xtream Codes API server URL we provided. Usually looks like this. If you haven't received your credentials, check your email inbox or WhatsApp. Need help? Contact our support team 24/7. After filling everything correctly, click Add User. Once your credentials are verified, IPTV Smarters will begin loading your full channel list, VOD, and EPG. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet speed and device performance. Click on Live TV to start watching channels. Explore movies and TV series from the On-Demand section. Use the built-in TV Guide EPG for an organized viewing experience. You're now fully set up with Pulse IPTV on IPTV Smarters using Xtream Code's API. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can. Start with our free 36-hour trial or grab our popular 1-month or annual plans. All the links are in the video description below. Don't forget, if you have any issues, leave a comment. We reply to everyone. Like this video if it helped you. Share it with a friend who's looking for a great IPTV setup. And of course, subscribe for more IPTV tutorials, updates, and reviews. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your streaming, and I'll see you in the next one.